Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss that how you can download Netflix movies in high quality. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. All you need to do is to open your Netflix application on your mobile device. Once you've done that, you need to tap on Profile, which is at the bottom right corner. You need to tap on that one. From here, you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. So once you tap on that one, from here, you need to tap on App Settings. It will bring you here where you can find the download video quality. You need to tap on that one, and here download video quality. So it is set on standard. If you want to download in high quality, you need to select this one and it will change, and the movies that you download will be a high quality. So guys, this is all it takes to download Netflix videos in high quality. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Till then, take care.